Welcome to part 12 of the 1000 Verb Challenge. Let's get started. Pay. Pay. I pay for my lunch at the cafeteria. Notice. Notice. She didn't notice the bird in the tree. Choose. Choose. I will choose my favorite toy to play with. Point. Point. Can you point to the picture on the wall? Happen. Happen. What will happen if we mix these colors? Approach. Approach. We slowly approach the ice cream truck. Realize. Realize. He didn't realize that it was getting dark. Recognize. Recognize. I recognize my friend from far away. Include. Include. Please include everyone when you play the game. Avoid. Avoid. We should avoid running in the hallway. That's it for today's 10 verbs. Keep practicing, and make sure to subscribe for more in our 1000 Verb Challenge. See you in the next video.